Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Display Settings. Right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings. Once there, identify the exact monitor you want to check by clicking Identify or selecting it in multiple displays. Make sure you're looking at the active screen. If you have more than one, pick the target. Then scroll down and click Advanced Display Settings so you can access the information that shows the current adapter and resolution before you change the refresh rate. Once done, click Display Adapter Properties for Display 1 or the selected monitor. This opens a small window. Next, switch to the Monitor tab where you'll find the Screen Refresh Rate dropdown. You'll see a list of available refresh rates like 60 Hz, 75 Hz, 144 Hz, depending on your monitor and connection. Make sure your cable supports the higher rate. For example, use DisplayPort or a high-speed HDMI for rates above 60 Hz. You finish by selecting the desired refresh rate and clicking Apply. The system gives you a short timeout to confirm, so click Keep Changes if it looks correct. Once applied, verify smooth motion in a short video or games to confirm the new rate is active. If the display flickers or goes black, Windows will revert. If not, use the Monitor tab to switch back. If problems persist, update your graphics driver and test a different cable or port.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.